SIDDHANT, I'm 16. Recently, I went with my team, Dalton, and who's 13, and Dingwen. He was once the world's youngest programmer at one point in time, and so we were sitting on Angel Hack Singapore, which is just about a week ago, and we created this app called Chain. So I'll just give you a quick demo about it. Let me just see if I can. Okay, never mind. It blocks the view. Okay, so this is how Chain looks like. Basically, what it is, it utilizes Bluetooth technology using iBeacons, and it automatically displays relevant shopping options based on your location in the store. So let's say, so what we did was we took the case study of IKEA. So like how IKEA is divided into many sections, such as mainly it's a furniture store, but it has many many more small sections in it, like what's known as showrooms. So I'll just give you a demo of how it looks like. So when you enter each iBeacon support section, it'll give you a specific area that will be located on your screen that's available for purchase. And if you click on desired items, you can add it to add the quantity to your shopping cart. And then automatically, once you reach at the exit of your store, it'll give you a notification saying that you're at, that you left the store. We'd like to make a checkout using PayPal. So this is how it looks like. So we actually have some buttons right here. We'll just push it up. Okay, so wait. Okay, yeah, so you have some buttons here at the side where you can view your cart. The first one is actually a map, and the next one is a cart. And after that, when you go here, if you require assistance, usually it's better that instead of like going around trying to hail a guy inside the store or help, actually what you can do is you can call for assistance, and someone will be on the way. So you can just ask a guy for help and submit your question. So after that, this is how it looks like on the checkout page. So when you leave the store, you'll be prompted to check out using PayPal. And you add in your own your address, and then there's no additional payment required, so it'll give you a final payment price at the bottom. And after that, if I proceed from here, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, I'll just push it back down. So this is how the app looks like actually. And so let's say for each different piece of furniture, so I have a piece of furniture here called Jervis. I have another piece of furniture here called Aurelius and Axios. So it gives you the description. So we took the case study of IKEA. So this is why you see furniture here. So let's say if I just tap on, let's say Aurelius, I want to buy one piece of Aurelius. So I can choose the quantity. So the app's a bit buggy. That's why you can't see really well that there. But this is the quantity. You can choose the quantity right here. And other than that, if you click here at the side, you get a map, and it only changes according to your beacon. So where your location is in the store. And so you have different, like I said, it divides into different sections. So you have electronics, lamps, beds, tables, and furniture. So you might be wondering how this benefits stores. Well, how it benefits stores mainly is that it allows them to have lesser quantity inside the store, so it saves space. And rental costs in Singapore for stores is really high, if you didn't know that. So by saving space on quantity, actually it saves money for the stores, because all you need to do is just link it up with your iBeacons, and all you just need to do is just add it to the cart and then check it out. So if I were to go back, yeah, okay, it's a bit lag. I'll just sort of stop airplaying now, because there's something more that I want to show you. So from here, what we did was that we had one of my friends who's not here, he started a Medium page. So I'll just briefly go through. So main so like tagline was you shop, you drop, because whenever you shop, whatever you shop, you add it to a shopping cart. After that, we'll just deliver it for you. So this tails not only IKEA but other businesses as well. All you do is set up the iBeacons in your store, and everything else from there will be easy for you, because you just need to deliver it off to the customer. So this is how UI looks like. The app isn't complete yet because we only had 24 hours to do it at Angel Hack. So it was programmed within 24 hours at Angel Hack. And this was our main issue. So you can just read off the slide, read off the page. So one of the main problems is that they face a lack of interaction, and we want to improve the experience of brick and mortar stores in Singapore. So not only in Singapore, but actually we used worldwide as well in Singapore. So when it comes to brick and mortar stores, long queues can be really demoralizing for customers, and this saves time for everyone. So actually I'll just invite Dingwen say more about main technologies behind what we use in this app. Do you want to connect it? Yeah. If you need something. Yeah.
Okay, so over here you can see the storyboard. So basically we have a it's quite a simple storyboard basically. So we have a tutorial view controller, which is at first when it clicks through the images, this is what does it. So basically the UI is pretty simple. We just have a container view controller over here and the table. So what happens is that inside this view controller over here we have a iBeacon updating code. So this is the iBeacon protocol, and whenever it detects a new iBeacon in medium proximity, it will reload some data from past. So after it reloads the data from past, it will update the table view controller here, and then the table view controller will do all its quantity stuff. So here with the map, with checkout, and if there's no Bluetooth, this navigation controller will be shown. So basically that is how the UI is made. And
are you using that view controller for it?
Tab view controller? No, this is just a normal.
Just buttons.
Yeah, it's just a normal view controller with a container view and buttons at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you loop it back from the checkout view controller back to the container. No, as in you could. I mean, as in the checkout view controller. Yeah. So it loops back to the container view controller.
Yeah. It's the back button so that you can. Yeah. It has a way to go back. So basically, yes, let me show you the passcode. So this is the pass. Yeah. So we decided to use pass because then it will be more. It will be better for retailers so that it will be easier to change the information. The information will be more up to date. So yeah, that's about the technical stuff. Basically, technical stuff is about questions. So
Yeah,
it's
have
really
any
more
questions or any feedback so you can improve our
it's
app.
really more about questions.
This is really nice app for a hackathon, and you build it in 24 hours.
Yeah, 24 hours no sleep.
How many developers?
There were 3 developers, 2 designers. I'm part of the design team. These guys part of the developing team.
Are you planning to launch this app? Or not?
Yeah, we plan to actually. Currently, we're in the midst of our exams, and after that, maybe during June holidays, yeah, we definitely want to improve and working on our app.
Are you planning to talk to any stores or just launch it? And see?
We're planning to actually talk. If you can get investors or anyone who we can talk to, that'd be great. That's why you're all here. If you network and find people interested in the idea.
I think just one feedback on the map itself, right?
Yeah.
Because for the hackathon, obviously, you did the static map.
Yeah,
looks, right?
yeah, it's static.
I mean, you can probably do or think around how to, because when you go to different stores,
Yeah,
the layout of these stores will be different.
yeah.
So again, you are using parts. You can probably think about a model so you can create these layouts on the back end
Okay.
and dynamically load the map on the front end or something. It's just an idea. So
Yeah, you might want to think of
that might be useful when you accomplish.
Yeah, actually we already do implement images loading from past. In fact, you see in the app just now we have the 3 different furniture, and then actually each of the icons was loaded from past. It's not stored on the device. It's stored in the past server. Yeah. So basically the code over here. This one. Let's say. So yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Very nice.
Okay. Any more questions or comments or?
Maybe just a feedback for the storyboard because I saw
Yeah.
the loop there. I don't think you should do that. You should use the dismiss view controller.
Yeah.
Because this will most probably make your app crash. But
Yeah, it's a bit of a like.
Yeah. So
We just
yeah.
because we wanted to do it quickly.
Okay.
So
Okay. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I just saw the look. So I just yeah.
Now you're using this model view controller, right? When you tap the button, it comes in a model or it goes
It's a model.
model, right?
Model.
And you don't really need a back button, right? Automatically you should have cancel if you have a navigation controller.
Model.
Yeah.
For model view controller, but it's not navigation, so there's no back button.
No. Model, if you create a model view controller with a navigation bar, right?
Ah, yeah.
If you have a navigation bar, you can create the cancel button there.
Oh yeah, you can do that too. Yeah, but I think they're not going. Oh well, yeah. Okay.
We
Yeah.
wanted to use a gesture recognizer actually, so it's swiping. But then we focused on the last part, and then we were left with like 10 minutes left, so we didn't have time to implement gesture recognizer. So we just put in one back button there.
I think it's quite impressive. I think you guys should have joined the Battle Lab. You guys implemented data stuff and the iBeacon thing, which was what happened in Battle Lab, right? I think there is a company that's also doing something similar in Singapore. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about it. Shop Guru.
No.
Yeah, they did, but they are not within the shop itself, but around the shopping center itself.
No.
So if you see those tall billboards saying Shop Guru stuff, I don't think you see them anymore right now. But those were the beacon whereby when the person actually walks around the shopping mall, they will be notified of discount or deals, special deals in the shop itself. Yeah. So maybe if you can find someone from Shop Guru, maybe you can give a shout out to them and then ask them whether you can talk with them.
Okay.
Yeah. Shop Guru. Other than that, I think at your age to be able to do something like that is quite impressive. So yeah, don't give up, man. I think there will be some failures along the way, but you'll make it.
Yeah, this was our first hackathon.
Yeah, well, it's quite impressive. It's impressive. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah.